Why should you never ignore dashboard warning light? To save unwanted expenditures. If you follow your dashboard signs and take the steps to solve the issue, your car will be saved from major damage. If there is any need for repair, it can be done during the initial stage. This saves a lot of money because minor issues tend to get bigger when their repair is delayed. To save your engine from catastrophes. The oil pressure light on your dashboard indicates that the oil is not getting to the vital components of the engine. With oil, the engine will get damaged soon. If you ignore this light and continue to run your car without oil, you will end up creating major issues for the engine. Replacing an engine is a daunting task besides being too costly. To save important parts of your car. Warning lights also help you in identifying issues with different parts of the car such as tires, brakes, ABS, airbags, etc. If you ignore these signs, you will not be able to detect any issues with the components of your car. As a result, they will tend to get damaged with time. To save your life, ignoring some of the dashboard warning lights are too dangerous. If you continue to ignore and keep driving, you will only be putting your life in danger. Example, if you keep ignoring the airbag sign and unfortunately you fall prey to a major accident, you will not be saved by your airbags because they will fail to function. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.